Hey, what's up? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. Today is going to be short, but it's going to be cool. 24 Dark Horse Mustang. I love it. It's an automatic. We installed a Stage 2 Whipple. So we're going to do a dyno before, dyno with the Stage 2 kit on 93 octane, and then we're going to take it off, add long tube headers, another dyno pull. It's going to be awesome to see the data. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify us today. Doug's with me. Let's go check it out. All right, like I said, 24 Dark Horse automatic. Doug, come down, take a look. We installed the Stage 2 Whipple kit with the Whipple calibration, of course. Now, I'm going to put a link in the description. You can simply click on, read a lot more about it. You can see what comes in the kit. We do keep these in stock, but I'm not going to take a bunch of time up today to tell you that. Boy, what's cool is when you drop this car off, he said, hey, any chance you have time to install a set of long tube headers? We did. We had them in stock. So you're going to see the dyno as it sits. Dyno with long tubes. Check this out. All right, before we look at the numbers, we are located in Indiana. You want something like this installed, simply email quote@brentspeed.com. We'll get you that price, or we can ship it to you. DynoJet SAE Smoothing 5 with the Stage 2 Whipple. Auto, running in 6, 93 octane, 738 roll horse, 7,800, 587 torque at 5,000. Boost was 12.8. Pulled it off, installed a set of the Kooks long tubes, 763 roll horsepower, 7,800. 579, peak torque 5100, boost shows peak 12.8 again at 7,800 RPM. Now, these are all peak, but I will tell you throughout the graph at about, so with the headers, you do have a little less boost in certain areas. At redline, it did show the same, but you get your gains pretty much above, about 56 is where it starts to spread. That's where the headers come in, and your torque stays higher as well with the long tubes on there, up there. But hey, just facts. 93 Stage 2 Whipple. I don't have time today to do like boost stain testing, to do lid off testing or anything like that. I just thought it'd be cool to show you an automatic 93 Stage 2 kit, 738. The car made 415 to the tires when it was stock, so that was cool. Another awesome thing is this car has 5,000 miles. It gets driven. He did take it to the track when it was stock. He told me his best ET was 1190 stock, and then he went back and the weather got warmer. He ran a couple 12.2s, but can't wait for him to get it back and hear what it does. Have any questions, please leave a comment. Happy to answer. Check out our other videos, but pretty neat setup. And this is the Kooks long tubes with green cats, okay? This isn't off-road, we don't do that here. So you have the green cats on there, and that might have been why the peak number, I expected the boost to show a little less with the long tubes, but probably because of the green cats, it's showing the same up top, but it is a little lower throughout the RPM range. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching.